Hello angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a crazy look and I'm so happy about it. I don't know what it is. I haven't gotten creative with color like this in a while, so I'm really happy. I used the brand new Huda Beauty Color Block palette to create this. This is the blue and green color. It also comes in a purple, which I know we're gonna be trying next. I am so obsessed with these already. The cool thing about this is that it also has water, like wet liners. They call it cake liner in here. And I use that right in the corner here. This look is actually a lot easier to achieve than you think. So if you wanna see how I got this, then keep watching. I am so excited about these palettes. I can't wait to recreate this look that I saw, and I literally just can't get over it. There is a tutorial that I found on Huda Beauty Shop of that exact look. I'm gonna try my best to recreate it. It might have a little bit of a wing it flare, but that's completely fine. Okay, so we're starting off with this shade, and then we're gonna just go ahead and kind of map it out as if we are creating our shape already, but it doesn't have to be super neat. It's okay because we're gonna cut the crease anyway. We just don't wanna take it way too high. So I'm gonna continue to build, and please don't mind my eczema on my eyelids. They are not the best, but yet I really wanted to create an intricate look today. It's time to cut the crease. I'm using the Anastasia Eyeshadow Primer, and I love this for cutting creases. I don't know what it is about it. It also has a really nice light shade to it, so that helps me as well. I will zoom you guys in. And then a little bit of this. It's not all the way down like that. It's a little bit of this. Do this, yeah. Because I think it comes a little bit further up than I'm used to. This is the kind of look we take our time with, guys, so don't rush anything. Brush with this shade. And we're popping it all over the lid, okay? All over. Oh my goodness, this color is so beautiful. It's very pigmented. And look at how nice it actually goes on because I used that eyeshadow primer that's so light. It really helped with this just being so pigmented right now. I should have filmed this with my purple backdrop because I feel like it would have been really on fire. I'm picking up this shade now that we have both sides on, and I'm sensing a bit of, not a full liner, but there's a moment going on right here that's kind of like a liner. And I'm using the Huda Beauty Eye Shaper Liner brush, by the way. The liner is not thick. It's actually quite thin. You can see my eyelids are really kind of, the eczema is showing right now, but we're going to try and ignore that. It's not giving a smooth vibe though. I actually took the liner and popped it like in the corner here, like so. And I'm going to make my brush a little slimmer, connect it better here. So that gave a little bit of a point, which is cool. We're grabbing some concealer and we're just gonna clean this up. I might actually grab some micellar water on a Q-tip just to remove this edge. Look at how much cleaner it is once we just take that Q-tip right up, but I don't wanna go too close to the edge because I don't wanna accidentally remove some of my winged liner there. On the actual edge, I'll take that concealer. And I'm going to take this opportunity to actually clean up the whole under eye because there is a little bit of fallout with like such a colorful look. Hoping that it didn't get on my white shirt that I'm wearing right now, that I chose to live life on the edge with the white. Okay guys, I am back. That really escalated to knit. I finished up my base, and this base was actually, I just went live and popped on and said hi to you guys. So if you saw me there, then what up again? Okay, so what she does is she grabs this shade in here and we're gonna just pop that right in the inner corner. Wow, She Vibrant. I love this shade. Oh my goodness. Everything is so bright and beautiful. Bam. Bam. Okay, so they took this green shade and then they packed it on top here. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's giving gradient. It's giving multi-dimensional vibes. I'm really here for this technique that the artist went for, and it looks very pretty. Because these are so smooth and buttery, I feel like it's blending really easily and nicely. Look at that. Wow. Same thing on this side. Oh, yeah. Wow. By the way, guys, if you want to see how I got my base, it's pretty simple. I filmed a video about it last week, so I will link that for you guys to see. Go ahead and check that one out. I'm just layering this on until I feel like I got the right color here, which I think we're pretty close. I'm not ready. To see me from your point of view. Okay, so a very fun part about this palette is that it has wet liners in here. It's called a cake liner, actually. So I'm wetting my brush. Let's see how this baby works. Ooh. Should we swatch it? Yes. Okay, she said pigment. Holy. Okay, I think she popped this right on the edge. I'm scared because I don't usually use this type of brush. Okay. Uh-oh, this one got thick AF. Like she thick. Oh God. Guys, what happened? Rise and shine. Okay, I don't know why that popped in my head. I tried to calm myself with the rise and shine. It's a throwback. We need to fix this situation that occurred. Wait, I mean, we easily can. So there's really no need for me to be panicking to this level, but you know, it's only because I'm filming and it happened, which is kind of funny. All we need is some concealer and a flat brush. That's literally it, and that's gonna fix it. I'm not pretty, and all my ugly too white. Love to see me from your point of view. There you have it, beauties. That completes the look. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's stunning, and in person, it is striking. Like the colors are so pigmented in this palette. Like I'm truly shook, and I didn't even use all of them. So I'm really looking forward to creating other looks with this palette. Please let me know what you guys would like to see next. Ask and you shall receive. I was creating for you guys. I don't know if it's just me, but this hairstyle, I didn't say it earlier, but it's giving like Mulan's love interest. Like, does it not look like him? Please. Li Shang, I think is his name. I don't know if that's facts. Is that his name? Anyway, whatever his name is, I should know because Mulan's actually my favorite Disney princess. But anyway, I'm trying to move past that. I think I really... I actually am on board with the hair. I'm gonna link my oily skin base. It's like a matte base for those who have oily skin like myself. And I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching.